The Komodo dragon is one of the most fearsome predators, even rivaling lions, tigers, and giant crocodiles. Which will be stronger when deciding to fight with the lion, the species known as the king of animals? Which side will be stronger? Let's explore the moments when lion gets a bitter ending when dares to provoke the Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons have an average body size and weight of only 20 to 30 kilograms. There are male dragons that can weigh more than 50 kilograms. They are good ambush predators, prowling close to their prey and launching a surprise attack when prey comes into range. Komodo dragons have strong limbs and sharp claws. Their strongest physical attack is the mouth. The lions are resting together at a tree stump. Looks like they've discovered something and decided to come closer to check. It was a baby Komodo dragon. Suddenly, the Komodo dragon used its tail to attack the lion. Fortunately, the lion was not hungry. It was curious and quietly left. The lions were watching the Komodo dragon cautiously. It seems that they are a bit strange of this reptile. The curious lions approached the Komodo dragon and were immediately used to repel it. The lions did not attack, but simply watched the Komodo's every move. Despite having a much smaller body, the lizard still bravely fights with leopards when repeatedly slapping the face of the predator with its tail. Despite the strong blows, the lizard still cannot escape the leopard. The leopard quickly grabs the lizard and carries it into the bushes. In terms of strength, health, and attack skills, the giant lizard cannot be the opponent of the leopard. But when dealing with leopards, lizards are extremely calm. It cautiously let the leopard roam around it to test its strength. Leopards repeatedly scratch the head of the baby Komodo dragon with their claws. However, the young Komodo dragon is still very stubborn. After a while, the leopard also gives up, leaving the prey and leaving. This giant lizard is focused on observing its prey. In less than a minute, it had grabbed a rabbit. The poor rabbit didn't seem to be able to resist. It began to devour its prey deliciously. The fierce clash between the Komodo dragon and the python. Looks like the Komodo dragon has the upper hand. It used its sharp teeth to grip the python tightly and continuously touched its prey. The python was wrapped around the giant lizard. Despite being squeezed, the lizard still tries to attack and inflict many wounds to the opponent. The phyton then encountered by biting the lizard in the face. The battle was extremely fierce. Both sides were seriously injured. The Komodo dragon seems to be trying to steal eggs when the mother phyton is not at home. But before he could do anything, the mother phyton returned. Two animals rushed to bite each other fiercely. This cobra seems to have been defeated by the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon stepped on its prey's head, causing it to lie motionless. The giant Komodo dragon bit the snake mercilessly. The venom in the Komodo dragon's mouth is very poisonous, so it seemed that the snake must have died. It eats its prey deliciously. It only took a few minutes. The snake was inside the belly of the Komodo dragon. A deer on the seashore has been targeted by the Komodo dragon. It rushes to attack its prey but fails. The deer tries everything to escape the predator, but the Komodo dragon can accelerate up to 20 kilometers per hour, so it's difficult for the deer to escape. Suddenly, from behind, the Komodo dragon approaches and bites the deer's leg. In a moment of neglect, the Komodo dragon lost its prey once more. The deer managed to escape the prey by diving into the sea, but it did not expect that the Komodo dragon was also a very good swimmer. And in the end, no miracle happened. The deer was brutally torn by Komodo dragons. The Komodo dragon continuously chases and uses its tail to attack a goat. The poor goat didn't seem to have a chance to protest. It tries to run away from its ferocious predator. However, in the end, the goat was still caught by the Komodo dragon and mercilessly torn to pieces. The Komodo dragon didn't wait much and immediately went to attack the goat. With just one strong bite, the goat had no chance of survival. It begins to devour and quickly swallow its prey. The mother crocodile had just laid eggs on the riverbank when two hungry Komodo dragons immediately rushed to take advantage of food. The mother crocodile immediately chased the intruder away. However, another Komodo dragon took the chance that the mother crocodile caught her guard and managed to get some fresh eggs.